What's up everybody, this is Yair, and today for the first time on this channel I'm gonna draw on a tablet. Okay, so today I'm gonna do a review for GAOMON's newest pen display tablet. They were kind enough to send me one for free and asked for a review in exchange. They actually won a big promotion price for this month, $359 on Amazon US, so you can check my description box for more information and links to their official site if you're interested. We'll start with unboxing and go through the goods. So it comes with a quick start guide and link to download the driver, a plug adapter, a quick release stand which you can adjust to the angle you prefer. It's actually really easy to use and it's quite steady, which is the most important part for me. And it's also friendly to left-handed users. Just set it up on the opposite side of the tablet. Here we got a special box with a surprising gift, 2-finger glove and 1-finger glove, so you can draw smoothly and avoid sweating all over your tablet. Personally, I can't draw without those. I usually use the 2-finger glove, so that's a nice treat. You can also punch somebody in the gut just for fun. And the same glove just for your pinky. Next, we got the power adapter for the tablet, the pen charging cable, a screwdriver with some screws for the stand, the integrated cable which has all the required connections attached together to avoid a mess. Here we got the pen holder which has inside 8 more nibs. Personally, I think they could have made it a bit heavier to make it more steady, but it's still good. And of course the pen which has 8192 pressure levels. It also has a very comfortable grip and it's pretty light compared to my Wacom Intuos 5 pen. For example, here you can see the size relation next to it and also next to my Copic multiliner pens. We also got a bag for the tablet, but keep in mind you can't carry it with the stand. And finally the tablet itself, 15.6-inch work area, full viewing screen, full HD, and like I said before, it's suitable for left-handed users as well. It's got 10 express keys that you can set for any key on your keyboard and to create combinations as well, like Ctrl-Z, which most artists use. And it's actually already set once you install the drivers, so you can adjust it the way you want to or leave it like it is. So once I set up all the components, it looks like that. I had a little fun with it and I made a sketch of Super Saiyan KEFURA using Photoshop. And now we are going to do the line work and coloring, of course. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, I only had the chance of working with the Intuos 5 tablet, which has no screen, so it's a fairly new experience for me. I am more accustomed to work with the keyboard, so even though I set the express keys, I didn't use them as much throughout this experience, but it's just a matter of habit and personal choice. So first I had some difficulties with the tablet, but after researching it seems that the trouble was actually with Photoshop and some screen preferences I had to change in order for it to work smoothly. So occasionally I had to do screen calibration again to avoid a very slight offset, and then everything worked normally. Now the screen is not matte finish, so sometimes you kind of feel like you're drawing on glass, which I didn't really like, but it kind of grows on you when you keep using it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy the rest of the process, and then I'll give you my final remarks about the drawing and the tablet. And we are almost done, everybody. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the product. I think it's a great solution for people who want to save money and still get a pretty good display pan with high pressure levels, which for me is the most important part because I want to be as accurate as I can. I am definitely gonna use it more from now on to get used to it and probably get used to the express keys, which honestly could save a lot of time instead of working with a keyboard. Like I mentioned before, there's links in the description box if you're interested, and they have a big promotion price for November, $359 on Amazon US. Okay, and now for KEFURA. So I made a full body drawing with KEFURA powering up right as she turned into a Super Saiyan. We didn't actually saw it happen yet, but you all know that's what I'm here for. I really like the results. It definitely takes lesser time to color digitally, especially when you got the Control Z, the undo button, animator's best friend. And as you can see, I gave her a nice background simply by using one brush but with different tones and a lot of layers following with some effects. I also gave her a nice aura simply by drawing lines and then copy paste them and adding blur. So yeah, overall I'm really satisfied with this piece and of course with the tablet. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every weekend. Thanks for watching, of course, keep being awesome, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.